जब जब तेरी तलवार उठी तो दुश्मन टोली डोल गई। फीकी पड़ी दहाड़ शेर की जब जब तूने हुंकार भरी। A fearless warrior, a indigenous strategist, the brightening son of Mewar, Maharana Pratap Singh Sisodia, born on May 9, 1540, in Kumbhalgarh to Maharana Uday Singh and Maharani Jayavanta Bai. He is hailed as the hero of Rajasthan, and several ballads and folklores are weaved around episodes of his heroic spirit, sacrifice, and resilience. When the brave Mewadi Raja, beaming with pride, used to stand against his enemies, even the mightiest of warriors used to get terrorized by just a glimpse of him. Maharana Pratap was 7 feet and 5 inches tall and carried an 80-kilogram spear and two swords, which collectively weighed 208 kilograms. The armor he used to wear weighed 72 kilograms. He belonged to the lineage of Rajput kings, who were known far and wide for their valor and pride, like Maharana Hamir Singh, Rana Kumbha, Maharana Sangram Singh Sisodia, and many more, who fought until their last breath but never let down the pride and glory of their land. The life of Maharana Pratap is an eternal tale of inextinguishable love for one's motherland, written with pride in the history of India. Maharana Pratap was an ideal king who cared for his people like a father who cares for his son. A proud Rajput, he refused to submit before the Mughal forces led by Akbar, even after his continuous efforts. He was the only Rajput ruler who dared to not just resist but defy the massive army of Akbar and fought until his last breath, preserving the pride of his motherland. From a very tender age, Pratap Singh took a keen interest in the geopolitical and military exploits of his father against the barbaric invasions of Afghan generals. He also assisted his father, Rana Uday Singh, in battles which proved the steel of the crown prince's love for the nation and his fearless and fiercely independent spirit to the nobles. It was the Maharana's humility, compassion, and charisma that made him so dear to everyone, from his nobles to the common people and even the often neglected tribes of Mewar. The brave king had a compassionate heart, which vowed to never attack an unarmed army. Pratap Singh had such devoted allies who were ready to happily stake their everything on Maharana's command. From Gwalior's Ram Shah Tanwar and his three sons, Rawat Krishnadas Chundawatji, Man Singh Jhalaji, and Chandrasen Rathorji of Marwar, to Rao Jaimalji, Patta, the Afghan leader Hakim Khan Suri, and a small army of people from the Bhil tribe, led by Rao Punja. The Bhil tribe was so much touched by the Maharana's humility that they used to call him Kika, which means son. His words were so powerful and filled with the fire spirit to preserve the pride of motherland that it could motivate armies to give up their everything and change the course of a battle. Maharana Pratap breathed his last on 29 January 1597 at the age of 56 in Chawant. After the news of his death reached Akbar, it made even his so-called great opponent shed a tear of pain and loss in the memory of a mighty warrior, or in the guilt that he never able to defeat a Rajput king by hook or by crook. Maharana Pratap was undefeated, untamed, and unstoppable. झुके नहीं वे मुगलों से, अनुबंधों को ठुकरा डाला, मातृभूमि की भक्ति का नया प्रतिमान बना डाला.